Last time on USAirsoft, we watched what's being called my most intense video yet, as the UFS did whatever they could to hold on to one single house from the PSA forces in the Playas Training Center. A facility cluttered with over 250 homes and structures that are normally used for police and military training. Now I'd like to quickly thank all you guys for commenting recently, and for all the new subscribers that have joined the channel. It does really help me to get to more events, but I wouldn't have gotten to this event in New Mexico if it wasn't for the guys at Xtreme Airsoft. They made this all happen for me, and you might be interested in what they have to offer on their web store that will be linked in the description down below. Also, if you happen to miss a part of gameplay from this miniseries, then you can refer to the description as well for the previous episode links. But now let's get into this new video with the PSA as we head out for a stroll around the neighborhood.
Here they come! Get ready! Take good angles. They're in the house! They're in the house! You're down on the... Get on the minigun! Get on the minigun! Get on the minigun! Get on the minigun! So to your left and to your right. I got hit from the left. Oh shit.
We're taking shots. Hold on.
I can't see where the shots are coming from. You want to back up? You want to back up?
Back us up.
You're good. You're good. You're good. I got a view. Go. Give us some breathing room so I can look. Okay. All right. You're good. Now I'm probably just gonna medic the one guy I actually did hit. Fucking sniper. Left side, front building. How's that thing feeding? Good. Fuck it, give him a gun run.
All right.
Short as short a burst as you can get.
Yeah, short burst and shake it down between rounds.
Yeah, I got this mother. Let's head back.
All right.
I gotta get medic.
All right.
Hey, get us off this street. There you go. I'm gonna make a second run on them.
Get some. All right, now watch those guys. They'll be on your left. Here we go.
There you go. All right, get down. Let's get out of here.
All right, we're out.
Good job, guys. Good job. All right.
They want evac?
No, they didn't.
All right.
Bert, you want to tell
an ass?
Do you guys need an evac?
Do they want anybody back to the fob?
Do you need anyone back to the fob or anything?
Hey, there's Jet. Get up to Jet. Get up to Jet.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Check it out. 3 bugs.
Yeah.
The field in between that building and the building where the cameraman is, they're all down prone on the ground.
You want me to frag them as we go by them?
Right where that
Jet.
cameraman. Okay, look. You just building the four horizontal windows. Right, and then the building with the concrete. They're in between the 2 buildings in the
Jet.
field.
I'll give him a drop frag.
Yeah.
I see him. Weapons hot! Frag out! Contact! We gotta reload, Kramer!
Yeah, we got to reload. I need the 240.
240's up!
On the left, so on the window that's there, they're horizontal windows that slide open. He's on the left one.
Right, okay.
Because the left one's the only one open. Yeah, you see the orange barrel?
Yeah, I see the barrel.
It's got the orange tip on it. Yep. A little bit. This one, just a little bit. Yeah, just cut out some bottom.
I might be able to. Now I've killed this guy, I've got a bit more of an angle.
I can't get more than 2 or 3
Is that him
shots.
firing at you?
Yeah, he's firing at me. To the right of this. Dude's breaking the glass too.
Yeah.
On the bottom? Well, bottom and then the pillars and between the windows. I can't even put my head out, dude.
He's down, he's down!
Nice.
Is he down?
Oh!
Is he dead? Yeah, let's go back.
On the window?
No, that's coming from outside on the left side.
2 of them?
Yep.
Alright guys. Hey, tell my backside, tell the kitchen guys, if we gotta get inside, I want fire. I just want fire. You, shoot through that window. Okay. You guys ready? Come on, I need it! We're ready. Go. Start shooting. He's behind it. Give me another one. Fire! To the right. Right side!
What have I got? Yeah, really coming.
Alright guys. On the right side. Fire. Keep fire going. Come on, man. I'm going in. I'm pushing. Go. It's not clear! Fire on the truck!
And with the UFS taking both Jeremy and MattTheMusketeer out, it looks like we've come to the end of this gameplay, but I'd like to thank you all for watching this video and supporting me all together. Oh, and don't forget to tell me what you thought about this video with the comments down below. But be sure to tune in next time when we come close to the end of the first day of this American MilSim operation. But until I drop that video for you all to enjoy, this has been Scott Hollenbeck of the city of San Antonio, and I'll be sure to see you all next time.
UFS crossing the road! Moving to you! UFS to the rear! To the rear! What building is it? What building is that?